Hello, my name is Richard Walt, and this is my introduction video. I'm excited to be at this point in our Widener careers, and it's exciting to be able to see the finish line. For my internship, I'm going to be working for one of the largest nonprofit agencies in the country. They have offices in multiple states. In the Northeast, they're very well known for the services that they provide. At this agency, I'm going to be helping out in the outpatient department, but I'll also be helping out in partial care, and I have the potential to be able to run groups and even potentially train other employees on different types of interventions and therapies. So far, what I'm trying to get out of this internship is really hands-on experience. I have a lot of experience helping out a lot of different clients with different backgrounds and intellectual capabilities, and now I'm really looking forward to more of a one-on-one, sitting down, therapeutic option of just being able to get to know clients, potentially at a long-term capability, and to be able to really get to know them and be able to provide the services they need. I have a lot of experience with groups, I have a lot of experience providing services, but with this internship I'm really looking forward to the one-on-one and just being able to build trust with just multiple clients. This is going to be a lot different than my last placement. My last placement was at a addiction treatment program where I was mainly in charge of helping clients find employment or educational opportunities. I had a very large caseload, which turns out was too large for my liking, and I wasn't really able to speak with clients with the amount of time that they needed because of the case size that I had, caseload size. I didn't really get a chance to really provide all the services that I could. I was able to help clients find work and go back to school and make sure they got the benefits they deserved. But now I'm looking to provide more hands-on experience and really just get to know a lot of the different therapies and theories, interventions out there, so that I can really get a good understanding of what we're getting into and be able to help out as many people as possible. I look forward to working with fellow classmates, and I'm excited to get this journey started. Thank you.